AI video generation is now a part of filmmaking. However, while generating the video, we face some issues: video generation time, cost, and most importantly, the quality. If you are also exhausted with these issues, then you should try Luma Ray3.14 model. It's 4 times faster, 3 times cheaper, and creates native 1080p cinematic quality videos compared to the previous one and all other video generators in the market at this moment. In this video, I am going to create a complete cinematic trailer from scratch. No pre-made assets, no cheating, just me and Ray3.14 model. So, let's dive in. This is the Luma AI Dream Machine homepage. You will find the link in the description. Just grab it and create an account. Okay, this is the Luma Dream Machine dashboard. First of all, we have to create a board or canvas, and we are ready to create the video. Okay, this is the Luma AI image and video generator interface. Here, at the top of the prompt box, you will find a few options like keyframe, reference, and modify. All of them are very useful. We will talk about them later. Now, here in this box, we have to enter the text prompt. What are we making? I need something that's visually striking, tells a story, and shows off what this tool can really do. I already planned a video, and here is my scene-by-scene prompts. I'm thinking we need maybe 4 or 5 key shots to make this feel like a real trailer. An establishing shot of the city, our main character in action and some kind of tension or conflict moment, and a final dramatic reveal. Alright, let's start with the city. This needs to set the tone immediately. First prompt, and I'm going to be specific here because good prompts make all the difference. Here is my prompt. Aerial cinematic establishing shot of a sprawling modern city at dusk, skyscrapers stretching into the distance, neon signs flickering on as storm clouds roll overhead, subtle rain haze in the air, city lights reflecting on wet streets far below. After entering the prompt, you can upload a reference image from here. However, I will go with only text prompts. Next, you can turn on the draft mode. This feature allows you to create multiple versions of the videos in lower resolution in a short time to avoid excessive credit cost. Once you find the best result, you can turn the video into a high-resolution video. This is very useful when you are creating a complex video. For this video, I won't use the draft mode. Okay, now come to the settings option. Here, at the top, you will find the modes. The Describe feature is to create videos only with text prompts. Keyframe is to turn any image into a video clip. Reference is to create video with any character. And the Modify feature is to edit the video. For this one, we need to select the Describe option. Next, you can select between the image and video generation options from here. Now, we have to select the aspect ratio of the video. As I want to create a cinematic piece, I am selecting 21:9. After that, select the video resolution. You can generate native 1080p videos from here. After selecting the resolution, select the video generation model. I am selecting the latest Ray3.14 model. After that, you can select the number of video clips you want to generate and then select the duration between 5 and 10 seconds. In the end, you can select the dynamic range of the video. Okay, we are ready. Now, once we hit the Generate button, the Luma Ray3.14 model will take charge and start generating the video like that. I am talking seconds here, not minutes. You can see the live preview from here. Okay, while the first scene is generating, let's create the second scene. It will save our time. So, I am entering the second scene prompt. After entering the prompt, I will set all other settings like resolution, duration, dynamic range, and others. Once everything is set, I will simply hit the Generate button. And you can see the video is generating. We can see the live preview of what it is actually cooking. This is something really amazing. And here it is. The very first scene is ready. And look at the quality of the video. The motion, camera work, light, scene consistency, everything is top-notch. It feels cinematic, and I love this result. Okay, now let's head over to the second video result. Look at that. The way the light hits the face, the depth of field, the mood. This is exactly what I was picturing. So, we can create amazing videos with very simple prompts using the new Ray3.14 model. And how much does it cost? It costs only 200 credits to generate the video. which means we have to pay less than 50 cents for a 10-second video. While the Ray 3 model costs nearly $1.50 per video generation. On the other hand, Sora 2 costs $1 to $5 for a 10-second video clip, and the results are pretty much the same. So Ray 3 Pi model is cheaper, quicker, and has better quality. Alright, now let's create the third scene. I am entering the prompt. After that, I will set all the settings and generate the video. And the video is generating. However, in the meantime, let's have a look at image to video generation. I created this image earlier using AI. Now, I will turn it into a video clip. So, I am selecting the keyframe option. Once the keyframe appears, click on the first frame and then upload the image. You can upload the second scene image also. Once the images are ready, you just have to enter the text prompt, then set all the settings, and then generate the video. Alright, based on the previous video result, I can tell that the Luma Ray3 Pi model is very good at realistic and cinematic video generation. Let's give it a try at animation generation. According to my research, Ray3 Pi has stronger style adherence, especially for 2D, cartoon, and anime styles. Let's try it out. I am uploading an image and then entering the prompt. Now, set the settings and then generate the video. Okay, the video is generating. Now, in the same method, I will generate all the video clips. The process will be the same. And here it is, the image to video generation result is out. The camera movement is smooth, the character stayed consistent, no weird warping or artifacts. Ray3 Pi has this improved temporal consistency, which basically means it keeps things stable across frames. Your character doesn't morph into a different person halfway through. The style stays locked in. And the anime video result, I'm actually impressed. The style is locked in, it's not trying to make it photorealistic. The speed lines are there, the energy sword has that animated glow, and the motion, look at the motion. It actually feels like anime. The temporal consistency is doing work here, keeping that style stable frame to frame. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. You can see the result. However, if you find any issues, don't regenerate the video clips from scratch. Instead of that, use the Modify feature to edit the video. Just select the video and then click on the Modify button. Once the scene is added, you will find 2 frames. You can replace the frame or modify the existing frame. This is our first frame image. Now we can customize the frame. Just enter the prompt and then generate the image. We got the image. Once the image is ready, click on the Done button. Now in the same method, you can change the frame after 5 seconds. Now, enter the prompt here in this box and then set the settings. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now here's the magic. Modify video keeps the core motion and structure of the original clip, but reimagines the environment. It's like having a VFX team on standby, except it's just an AI model and me. I already made a detailed video on the Modify feature in this video. You can watch it from the I button. Look at that. Same motion, same emotion, but the character has been changed. This is where the cost efficiency really shines, by the way. Instead of burning credits on multiple full renders, I can iterate on existing clips. That 3 times cost efficiency, it's not just about faster renders, it's about smarter workflows. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now I will add music to all the scenes. To add music, select the scene, and then click on the audio feature from here. Now you can enter the audio description or leave it to Luma to create the music automatically. And this is the result. It sounds perfect. I will add music to the scene. Once all the scenes are ready, all we have to do is save the video clips and assemble them with a video editor and our trailer is ready. And how much time does it take? Less than 10 minutes. Ray Pi is 3 times more cost efficient and 4 times faster than the Ray 3 model. Ray 3 Pi model gives you native 1080p output. That means no more upscaling in post, no more running your clips through Topaz or whatever other tool you're using to try and salvage resolution. It comes out clean, sharp, ready to drop into your edit. That alone saves me probably 20 minutes per project. Look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you Ray 3.14 is perfect. No AI tool is. But for speed, Cost and quality? This is the best I've used. So, if you want to create your cinematic or any other content, you should give it a try. Links in the description. If you found this tutorial valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.